In this video, I will show you how to empty garbage in Cities Skylines 2. So let's jump straight into it. So after reaching the tiny village milestone in Cities Skylines 2, you can actually build a landfill. As soon as the landfill is completed and construction is finished, you will notice that the trucks will start to move around the city, collecting garbage and then dumping it all off in the landfill. Now there is a limit to how much the landfill can actually hold, but what you can do is clean and actually empty your landfill. So that's how to go ahead and get garbage. And now we're going to move on to the best method to empty a landfill in Cities Skylines 2. So the actual best way I would recommend to empty your currently full landfill is to actually move all the trash it contains elsewhere. So you can either move this to another landfill far away, or this can be an incinerator. The great thing about incinerators is they do have a bigger capacity to hold garbage, and their processing removes the trash entirely, making it one of the best ways to dispose of the built-up waste from the landfill site. However, the drawback to using incinerators is that they do increase pollution in the environment. So another method to remove the garbage is to build a recycling plant. This is great if you want to move the trash away and you cannot afford to use the incinerator or a recycling plant. You can build another landfill far away from your city and you can actually move all the garbage there. So to go ahead and do this, what you're going to want to do is click onto the full landfill in Cities Skylines 2 for the info pop-up, which is going to look similar to this. And from here, all you need to select is empty building to another facility. What this would do is begin emptying the landfill into the other landfill. So unlike the previous title, Cities Skylines 1, where you had to clear out the garbage before deleting the building, you can actually now do it when the facility is full. All you need to do is simply build a large landfill and wait for it to get filled. Then simply go ahead, delete the building and reconstruct the landfill. This is a very simple and effective method to keep the garbage away from your city. So that's how to go ahead and empty garbage in Cities Skylines 2. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.